Hi folks, it's Rita here from N Jefferson, and I heard that you wanted more videos, so let's start with this one. We got a new item in here. It is from Coley International. It is called Just Add Yarn. It's this adorable heart-shaped container. It's a clear container, and it has all the little things that you need that you would want on the go for when you crochet or when you knit. So let me tell you more about it. So it comes with this, let's see, this item here, it is a silicone keeper cord. And it comes in this little bobbin sort of thing here. We actually have these, carry these by the Gypsy Quilter, so you can put your bobbin floss in there. You can ask me about that at a different time there. So it has one of these. It has a couple of bent needles, as you can see, the bent needles. Two of those. It has on a ring, it's got 3 cute little crochet hooks. They're different sizes, different colors. They have an assortment of stitch markers. So there's ones that are like that. And then there's just your regular rings. And then it's got these little ones here as well. They also have this little toggle that you can squeeze to hold the string in there. And the cutest thing that I think that is in there is these adorable little scissors. Now if you can turn them around here, because they have a little spring action silicone cover, and you can cut with them, and then you put the little silicone cover on top so they don't poke anybody. So this is something that we just brought in. It's literally just arrived. Item number is JARK, J-A-R-K. The suggested retail price on these is $29.99, and our wholesale price is $18.59. So the suggested retail price that we have, it's always pretty low, so you can do with that as you wish. We do have lots of these in stock. Let us know if you would like to order some. You can see them on the website, again, under the code name, the item number JARK, J-A-R-K. There you go. Hope you like this little video that I made for you.